Hello, my name is Sorin, I'm a teacher here at Smart Science Education, and today on our new Scratch adventure what we're going to be looking at is how we can add multiple sprites and how we can make an animated story in which we have multiple characters. We can either upload a sprite, surprise, we can paint a sprite, or we can choose a sprite. I'll go ahead and choose a sprite. Let's see from what Scratch has to offer us. Maybe I'll go with this dinosaur, right? And I'll go again and click on the same button and I'll go for another dinosaur, maybe this dinosaur, right? So now I have two distinct characters. I can even give them names right here. You can see that the first one is called Dinosaur 1 and Dinosaur 2. I can name the first one, I don't know, maybe Jerry, and the second one I can name Jeff. Yeah, so now you can see that the names are updated here and each of my character has a different name. Let's go ahead and also flip this one. So I flipped my dinosaur to be facing this direction, right? What we can do right now is we can connect the code of these two characters. How we do that? We connect them using this event. So when I click the green flag, I want something to happen. But you see that I copied it into both of the characters' code. Remember that if I select a character, each character has their own distinct code, right? So I can make them both do different things. For example, for Jerry, when I click on the green flag, I want him to... Can he switch costumes? Yeah, he can. So I want him to go to next costume, right? And maybe I'll put all of that inside of a loop. And also maybe let's switch the color of Jerry. But for Jeff, when I click on this, maybe I want him to jump, right? So I want him to go a little bit up. Then wait a little bit. Then go down again. And copy this. And let's make Jeff jump multiple times. We'll put everything in a loop as well. Yep, so let's see what happens now if I click on the green flag. You see that both of the actions that I did here for each of my characters, both of the codes, they are connected by this block. So when I click on the green flag, something should happen to both of the characters, right? And if I click on it, you can see that one started switching costumes and one started jumping, right? Maybe we can put a weight inside here. Oh, something like this. So now you can see what's going on, right? So each of my characters has a different action that they do, but as you can see they are connected by the same green flag, right? Let's go ahead and also choose a background from our previous video. I taught you how to do this. Let's go ahead and choose maybe this one, right? For characters, I remember you can have as many characters as you want. Maybe I can go for a butterfly here as well. Maybe I can go for, I don't know, another dinosaur. Yeah, I can put him here. I can make him smaller by changing the size here and so on. Remember, I can have as many characters as I want and I can write code for each one of them in order to have a very, very beautiful and lively story, right? So let's see how we can connect all of this into our next Scratch video. I'll be waiting for you there.